Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for your letter balloons. We will address the common issues you may encounter while inflating your balloons and provide you with simple solutions. Let's get started. How to insert the straw into the valve. Insert the straw between the bottom and top layers. In most cases, the top layer will be transparent. Make sure that you insert it underneath the transparent layer. In some cases, you may need to apply gentle force, but be careful not to rip the balloon. Problem number 1, the balloon is leaking air. In 99% of the time, when the balloon rapidly loses air without any visible holes, it is typically due to air escaping through the straw once you stop blowing air through it. To prevent this issue, it is important to continue blowing air while retracting the straw. This step is crucial to avoid the balloon appearing as if it has a hole. Once the straw is completely removed, quickly seal the valve with 2 fingers. You can optionally use tape to secure the valve, although it's not necessary. Problem number 2, I'm having trouble getting any airflow. This occurs when the straw touches the balloon seam, obstructing the airflow. To resolve this issue, simply tilt the straw while inflating to allow airflow. Determining the exact spot from where the balloon is leaking. To determine the exact spot from where the balloon is leaking, submerge the balloon in water and look for bubbles. How to patch a hole in a balloon. In case of a hole in the balloon, a piece of transparent tape should do the job. As you can see, the transparent tape successfully patches the hole. Once the tape is removed, the leaking resumes. Problem number 3, the balloon has a slit that was cut along the seam. If there's a cut along the seam, simply take a flat iron on low heat to reseal the balloon. Make sure the heat setting is low to prevent damage to the balloon. As you can see, the balloon is now sealed. Thanks for watching.